Gila decided to go vegan about 2 years ago, and she feels great about her decision. She feels healthier than ever and has a clean conscience to both. She really couldn't be happier in her life. But Gila has just one issue that really gets her down. Every time she wants to buy something, she needs to read and reread every single label, which can sometimes be very exhausting. So we decided to help Gila. We gathered all the vegan shops and businesses into one place with all the ingredients already checked and are about to open the first online all-vegan marketplace, Vegamarket. Vegamarket is a new online vegan-only shopping experience designed to provide you with whatever you are looking for, from homemade cuisine to superfoods with clothing, shoes and much more. Would you like to take part and help Gila too? Join in our project and help us expand the most magnificent all-vegan online shopping center in the world. And get a free gift card for your next purchase on our website.